I just got a pressure bungee bolt sensor here. These are like a rear sets for Yamaha MKLigtech from AliExpress. Here I have a bike which has a Gills rear set. I crashed them once and had to rebuild it. These are like 2000 zloty, that's like 400, 500 to 600 euro, and these are like 500 zloty if you pick the right pick on AliExpress. And for me they're quite decently built. The difference here is that, for example, here the Gills rear set had the placement to place the OEM sensor, and here they gave some sort of bracket, and it took me 2 hours, maybe one, to figure it out that it's no way that it's going to fit here. They gave some sort of bracket. So at one point I started looking, and then I found out that there's such a bracket here. Sweating a bit, hope it's not sweating. We'll clean it up in a second. Anyway, I had to cut off one of the wires and I have the connector, so I cut off the old one and give a new connector here. It's like a crash washers here. It should work. Maybe I should have used, but it might have bleeded a bit when I was like mounting it, because I crashed this with the clippers here and mounted it there. Anyway, I like this. This was like 500 zloty and this was 55 zloty, 60 with shipping, and I got it here. Took over a month to get these ones. There's no instructions, but they're like a Lightech knockoff. And what they give, like if you I wrote to them and they give it, but there was no solution because Lightech is also using a pressure sensor, I think so, pressure sensor. So yeah, these washers could have been a bit smaller, I think, but it works. Show 1 second. So we have the light here. I didn't turn it on. So no, it stopped working. Wonder why. Maybe it disconnected a bit. Okay, yeah, I think it got disconnected a bit, so it's working. My fault. The connector to push it in more. So yeah, it's working, and the solution is bungee bolt, pressure bolt.